Hi there everyone, today we're going to look at dividing numbers. Now essentially we put large numbers on there, but if you're dividing small numbers, then I suppose they would expect you to be able to use your times table skills in order to do it. But of course if you've got a bigger number, then you have something called the bus stop method or garage method, whatever it's called these days. It doesn't really matter. But essentially what numbers go where are important, and obviously the technique is still valid and definitely appropriate to use. All right, so the first number goes under the bus stop and the second number in front. All right, so when we say the first number, that's essentially what you are dividing, and then what you're dividing by goes at the front. All right, so let's put those numbers in. So it's going to be 741 inside the bus, divide by 3 outside the bus. Okay, so how many 3 is going to 7? The 2 remainder 1. So the 2 goes at the top, and the remainder will kind of come down in front of the next number. We're then doing 3 divided by 14. Right, we'll do 3 divided by 14. It goes in 4 times. So the 4 goes up here, and then the remainder of 2, because it's 12, is going to go down here. And then we're doing 3. Is it how many 3 is going to 21? And that's going to give me the number 7. And therefore my answer is 247. All right, so just be careful, be accurate, and space it out is all I would say. Right, if you're looking for dividing decimals, well, there's no difference really in terms of how you do this. Same process. So 35.04 divided by 3, I should say. So you set it out like a bus stop like before, and then once you get to the decimal point, we'll just plow through it and just kind of carry on. It doesn't make any difference. All right. So how many 3 is going to 3? 1. How many 3 is going to 5? 1 with 2 left. How many 3 is going to 20? Well, that's going to be 6, isn't it? With 2 left. And how many 3 is going to 24? That's going to give me 8. And of course, I've missed my bus stop, I missed my decimal point, so just put it back in where it was, above the other one. All right. If you are dividing by something that goes past the decimal point, then you just need to basically keep adding zeros and just keep going. All right. So 284 divided by 5, the same way. 75 is going to the 2, none. Carry the 2. How many 5 is going to 28? 5. Carry the 3. How many 5 is going to 34? That's going to give you 6 with 4 left. So I haven't finished this point. So this is where I put my decimal points in. So and there's no zeros, so I need some zeros. So there's a decimal point. So how many 5 is going to 40? 8. So the 8 goes up there, and of course we're past the decimal point, so it's going to be 56.8. All right. So that is how you go about dividing decimals and whole numbers. So if you need the practice, and if you want to practice using the bus stop method, then obviously go to maths-school.co.uk. There's a bunch of questions on there for you to practice. Thanks for listening.